back to the pool. We're going to fire the pump up and show you how all that works. I ordered this piece here from Amazon. I'll show it to you in a minute. It's about 10 billion days ago or so. Everything's all messed up right now. I ordered a chicken and egg too. I'll let you know which one comes first. This is the magical piece you need to cover up the bottom of this pump. As you can see, you order it, it comes with a little roll of Teflon tape and the actual cap itself. Teflon tape's a great tool. Stops things from leaking. The important part to remember with this is when you're putting on the threads, to go with the threads, so that whenever you're turning anything onto the threads or turning the threads into anything, you're making the tape tighter, not going against the way you put it on. Once you get that on there, you just screw the cap on. Make sure you get her on there good and tight, so if anybody besides you ever wants to take it off, they hate you.
Okay.
The last step of connection is put this last clamp on. Then we'll get some water in her. So we got the water topped up, checked all of our connections. Everything's tight, nothing's leaking. Push down on this so you get water coming out. That lets you know that all the air is purged out of everything. You want to make sure your water is at least halfway up in your skimmer basket before you try and run it. Never run it dry. And you want to switch this around to backwash, and then we're going to fire it up. And it's going to spray all kind of water out and clean that sand. You do this about 3 to 5 minutes till it's good and crystal clear coming out. And then once you're done with that and it's good and clear, you shut it off. You switch it to the rinse function and fire it back up again. And this one you can see it's coming out kind of tan because of the sand. You want to let that run for a few minutes until that clears up. Now that we've got that done, we can shut it off, and we're going to go ahead and turn it to the filter function. Now, the way this works is it sucks the water in through your skimmer basket here, which takes all the big chunks out of the basket in there, goes down through the pump into the filter section, which is full of sand. And the water goes in on one side of the sand, comes out on the other side of the sand, and any of the small little particles that are trapped in the water get stuck in the sand as the water passes through it. It's been around for a long time, this technology. It works really well. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's my philosophy. It's much better than the cartridge filters. You have to change the sand every 3 years, which is really not a big deal. A bag of sand's about 20 bucks. The only downside is once in a while you have to backwash it, which is what we just did, which takes any of the stuff that's caught in the sand and it runs it all backwards and pumps all that nasty right out the waste gate right here. Rinse sort of does the same thing. Backwash is what's really meant to clear out the sand though. So we're all set. We're going to fire it up, hop in the pool. Have a good one, y'all.